Now we're going to talk about plant nutrition, the process by which plants acquire the necessary nutrients and energy to survive and grow. Plants, like all living things, require a range of nutrients to thrive. These nutrients include macronutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are needed in large amounts, as well as micronutrients such as iron and zinc, which are required in smaller quantities. One of the primary sources of plant nutrition is through photosynthesis, a process by which plants use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a type of sugar that provides the energy that plants need to grow. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide from the air through small openings on the surface of their leaves called stomata, while water is absorbed through the roots and transported up through the plant's vascular system to the leaves. Photosynthesis also requires the presence of chlorophyll, a green pigment that is found in the chloroplasts of plant cells. Chlorophyll is responsible for capturing light energy and using it to power the chemical reactions that occur during photosynthesis. While photosynthesis provides plants with the energy they need to grow, it does not provide all of the nutrients required for plant growth. In addition to carbon dioxide and water, plants require a range of macronutrients and micronutrients that must be obtained from the soil. One of the most important macronutrients required by plants is nitrogen, which is a key component of proteins, nucleic acids, and other essential molecules. Nitrogen is often in limited supply in soil, but plants are able to obtain it through a process known as nitrogen fixation, whereby certain bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that is usable by plants. Additionally, some plants are able to form symbiotic relationships with nitrogen-fixing bacteria that live in their roots, providing them with a constant supply of nitrogen. Phosphorus is another important macronutrient required by plants, playing a key role in energy transfer and storage, cell division, and other processes essential for growth and reproduction. Unlike nitrogen, phosphorus cannot be fixed from the atmosphere, but instead must be obtained from the soil through the roots. Potassium is also a critical nutrient for plant growth, playing roles in water and nutrient uptake, stomatal regulation, and other processes. Calcium, magnesium, and sulfur are also required in relatively large amounts, while micronutrients such as iron, zinc, and copper are required in smaller quantities but are nevertheless essential for plant growth and health. Plants obtain these nutrients through their roots, which extend into the soil and absorb water and nutrients through their root hairs. Nutrients are transported up through the plant's vascular system, with some nutrients being stored in leaves, stems, and other plant tissues. It is important to note that while plants are capable of obtaining the nutrients they need from their environment, the availability of nutrients can be limited in certain instances. For example, nutrient-rich soils may become depleted over time with repeated plant growth, leading to lower yields and stunted growth. Additionally, certain environmental factors such as soil acidity and the presence of pests or diseases can also affect nutrient availability. In conclusion, plant nutrition is a critical process by which plants obtain the energy and nutrients required for growth and survival. Through photosynthesis and the absorption of nutrients from soil, plants are able to thrive and produce the food, fiber, and other resources that we rely on in our daily lives. I hope this lecture has provided you with a better understanding of the fascinating world of plant nutrition. Thank you for listening.